Hey friends, it's Jenny, and I thought I would share with you another cherry on top cherry box. And once you see what's in the package, I think you'll understand why I elected to receive this one this month. It is so much fun. Let's dig in. All right, this is the July cherry box, and it is amazing. I'm so excited. So I'm going to pull it out of the bag. Forgive the noise. You guys know all this packaging is noisy. Alrighty. So of course it comes with a little handout that shows you a picture of the contents, and then it also lets you know the list of things that are included. So it comes with the Foundations mixed media paper, 12 Vicki Boutin cardstock papers, the Sweet Rush embellishments, the Color Study sticker book, the stencils, the bubble stencils, and the texture paste and the thickers. So let's start with the texture paste. I received this, it's called Kiwi Sour. It is a lime green. It is so colorful. I'm curious how I'll be able to put this one to use, but stay tuned, we'll see. All right, here are the embellishments. Basically gold foil. Some of these have foil. They're basically just ephemera. Can you see all those? So many cute ones. There's just a ton of funness in there. Here's the sticker book. I'm really excited to use this in my memory planner. There are 6 sheets. Some of them have foil, some of them don't. Look at that. So cute. So then you can see a little overview of each of the pages. And then these layered stickers, these take me way back to like 2012, and what was that brand? Oh my gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue. It'll come to me, I'll keep thinking about it, but so cute. All right, so here are the Bubbles stencils. So there's the first one, there's the second one, and there's the third one. So cute. Now I love these thickers. I love them. There are just so many amazing phrases, and then the variety of fonts. I know it's hard for you to see, but I'm trying to get it so you can. But there's just a ton of different phrases like follow the rainbow, live life happy, shine bright, hello, thanks, you are magic, celebrate today, happy birthday, thank you, best wishes, party time. And then be a rainbow, hello, oh happy day. I mean, so many great ones. All right, now let's look at the pattern paper. How stunning is that? So there's 2 of each, and that's awesome because then you don't have to decide which side you want to use. This reminds me of Basic Gray. Anybody remember Basic Gray? But this one, I love it. I need it. And this is gorgeous. I love that it's in dark blue and not green. And then this front, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Very fun, and I love the edger on this too with the sunshine. And then the back side is obviously this one. Lots of fun pieces here. And then this dots too, so rich and colorful. And then obviously I love the rainbow, you all know that. The B-sides definitely remind me a lot of Basic Gray, if you guys remember Basic Gray. And then we have the White Foundations mixed media art paper. So there's 12 pieces in here, and it is amazing. Like, I know this holds up to all the paint, all the ink, watercolor, so much awesome stuff. I am really excited about this. I can't wait to share some fun layouts with you with these products. So I will link you up below where you can subscribe to the Cherry Box and get this July kit all for yourself. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.